going on, guys? Karlo here, Horsepower Industries, and we're here at the racetrack right now, Sonoma Raceway. Beautiful Sunday. Thankfully, it's not hot because it's been like very hot out here in NorCal for the past like few weeks. But here in Sonoma, it's nice and it's actually windy, so I hope you guys can hear me. But I'm here at the track with the guys at Speed SF, just checking out the races today. It's just like a track day. And I only live like 30 minutes away from the racetrack, so might as well just hang out and then kick it. And also, I'm gonna go check out my buddy's Porsche GT4. My friend Bob, he just bought a new Porsche, so he's at the paddock right now doing the Autocross. So we're gonna go check out his Porsche in a bit. All right, let's go find Bob. See where he's at. Go down here to paddock. All right, so we're gonna walk over here, see Bob's car, that silver Porsche GT4. Oh man! Oh, there you go. It took off. Too much right there. That looks fun. Good like variety of cars. There's Bob. Yo! Bob! This guy. Yeah, later. I have my helmet with me. Oh shit! It's clean, bro. Hella clean. Damn, must be nice. Actually, Bob, he used to have an M2 before this one. So he had a BMW M2 that he also used for autocross and track. But like, you know what? Screw it, man. Like, might as well get a GT4. By the time he had that money. And actually, it's crazy because like the M2, the used car market right now is like really crazy. So the M2 held its value, so I was able to like sell that for a good price and then get put a deposit on this new car. See? Now let's go up here. Much better view. It's Bob right there. Yeah, you got a better perspective here. we're here for this guy. Oh man. Sup, dude?
What's up, man?
Hey. How you doing?
Feeling good.
It's good, man.
Learned the track finally a little bit.
Yeah, it looks like there's a lot more cars this time.
Yeah, that's pretty good.
Yeah, car looking good, man.
Thanks.
Yeah, but you can do ride-alongs, right?
Yeah, do you have a helmet?
Yeah. Do I need to sign up still?
No, man. You just
Hop in? Okay, I'm gonna hop in. I'm gonna get my helmet later.
yeah, get the helmet, and then we could have a fun ride, man.
Yeah. Sick.
I'm tired.
I bet. Like a sore? These are like what, 19s or 20s? 20s?
Yeah.
Holy shit. Dang. I thought they were like 19s, but
No.
20s. Like the Type R's, the Honda Type R's.
Yeah.
Civic Type R's, they're 20s.
And
Oh, okay. See, the brakes. That's what you know. Porsche brakes, they're like really good.
yeah.
Oh man. And it is the carbon fiber seat.
Yeah.
Let's open it up. Let's see like the inside. So from the factory, you can order this. And how much was this?
I think 5,500 or something for a pair,
For a
which
pair?
is cheap. That's
I know, you're right.
If you get it outside, they'll sell you. They charge you 10 grand.
All right, I'm gonna sit down.
Oh
Good thing, me and Bob are about the same height.
yeah. Not
So
that far.
yeah, so like I can just like hop in the car, not even adjust the seat. Let's go get my helmet. Man, I should have brought my Evo. But then like, next time I'll bring the Evo. But I want to do an actual track day with my car. So, but right now I'm saving the wear and tear on our Evo and getting it ready for global time attack this November at Buttonwillow. So, and that's why I don't want to drive. All right, here's the helmet. This helmet, and then get a ride along. Oh shit! Got my helmet on, and let's like hop in.
Let's see if I don't get lost.
All right. Oh man, riding shotgun with Bob. Oh. Oh, I love these seats, dude.
Yeah.
It's pretty technical. Yeah, this thing like rips.
A little bit.
Oh, this one right here.
Yeah,
the
that's okay.
Perfect. Woo. Yeah, I felt you can feel the G's like on the seat, like just as a passenger too, man. It's like oh
feels
fuck.
good.
Yep.
You stick on the seats, right?
Mhm. Man, that was fun, dude. That's a good thing about this car. It's like it grips a lot. It grips
Yeah,
a lot.
does. I'm not even pushing it at that point yet.
Yep. The seats is really nice. The way the chassis, the chassis is nice and stiff.
Yeah, we put it on a stiffer suspension.
Okay. Yeah, and then like just the tire, it grips a lot too.
It doesn't really break away. It's very easy
Yeah.
to control.
Mhm.
It's like if you go too far with the oversteer, you just let up.
All right, so you took off the traction control off.
Mm-hmm.
That's how you do it. Whoa. This is a real tight turn.
Yeah.
Bob's like really driving it fast.
There we go.
Yeah, if this is time, you're probably the fastest one out.
Yeah. All right, that's what I got.
There you
That's
go.
better.
Dude, imagine if that was time. That you were going to that shit like fucking like nothing, dude.
Yeah, it's
Dang. Man, you don't underestimate this car and don't underestimate Bob. You know,
took a while and rusty.
I know. that was a fast one though.
Yeah.
That was a quick lap.
Fast and smooth.
Yeah.
You can tell I'm not pressing the brakes as much. Or
Yeah,
whatever.
yeah. I mean, I can definitely feel that shit, dude. Like how the car move and how the car rotates. I can feel it.
Yeah.
You know, it's like, oh, my ribs. It's crazy, dude. You can feel the G's.
Yeah. I think that was my better run.